Today I will teach you my scalping strategy for trading silver. You will learn a simple way to spot profitable setups on silver every day. Take notes and let's get started. This strategy will be based on a combination of two time frames. The first time frame that you should start your analysis with is a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame on silver, you will simply need to identify supports and resistances. As you can see here, we are on a 4-hour time frame, and I will quickly spot significant supports and resistances. Here is the strong support that I see, and just recently we saw a strong bullish movement from that. Right here we have a strong resistance. We can see that in the recent past it was a strong support, then it was broken and it turned into a strong resistance. Then we have a strong resistance right here, and we have a strong resistance here. That is the first step in our strategy. And once you identified supports and resistances on a 4-hour time frame on silver, you will need to patiently wait for a test of one of these structures. As you can see, the price has just tested this resistance, and that is the signal for us to look for entries on 30 minutes time frame. So once you see a test of a support or resistance that you identified on a 4-hour time frame, start analyzing 30 minutes time frame and look for a signal there. Let me show you how. On the 30 minutes time frame, we are going to analyze a price action and we will look for entry signal. So when we see a test of a significant 4-hour support, we will look for a strong bullish price action signal on 30 minutes time frame. And if we see a test of a resistance, we will look for a bearish price action signal. Let's study how the price reacted to our 4-hour resistance. Let's expand our chart and let's see what is happening here. The first thing that we see is that on 30 minutes time frame, silver was growing in a strong uptrend, and the market stopped growing after the price tested this blue resistance. If we analyze trend lines, we can easily spot a very nice rising channel. You can see that the price was steadily rising within the boundaries of this rising parallel channel, and after the test of this blue resistance, its support was violated. It is a very strong bearish signal for us. Also, we can see that after a test of our resistance, the market started to consolidate. You can see that the price started to coil within this narrow horizontal range. You can see that the market violated both the support of this range and the support of this rising channel. So you can see that price action on silver in 30 minutes time frame turned bearish. After the test of our strong resistance, we see a clear strength of the sellers. These price action signals are more than enough for us to confirm that the market will continue falling. And the only problem for us is to try to understand where will be the goal for the sellers. If we analyze a historic price action, we can easily spot a very strong historic support right here. You can see that it is a very important intraday structure, and we can see that many times in the past it was respected as the resistance, and then after a breakout the market started to respect that as the support. So we can make a prediction that silver will continue falling, and that will be the goal for the sellers. Then we need to identify safe entry for our trade, and for this trade I suggest looking for a retest of a broken support of the range. That is the closest strong intraday resistance, and that would be a very nice and safe point for us to sell the market from. So here we will place our sell limit order, and from here we will sell. Where should be our stop loss? With that trade, our safest stop loss is going to be above the highs of this bullish movement. We will simply identify the highest high right here, and we will set our stop loss above that point. And take profit is going to be based on the support that we identified. This strategy is very easy to follow. You start with the support and resistance analysis on a 4-hour time frame, and then you simply wait for the test of one of the structures. After that, you open 30 minutes time frame and start looking for a price action confirmation. Just look for classic price action patterns, as they always provide profitable signals. Here on the chart you can see a complete breakdown and a step-by-step plan to execute the trade. Let me know cheaters in the comment section if you have any questions. Join my trading academy and learn how to trade gold and silver. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also cheaters, please watch my other videos.